In this video, I'll show you how to blog on TikTok, right? Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notifications to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. This works on Android, on PC, on smartphones, right? So ensure you watch through all I'm gonna do right now. If for any reasons you would love to, let's say, blog anyone, like you love to blog some content, some people here on TikTok for your own personal purposes, right? What you're gonna do right now, this, let me say I want to use this account for example, right? If you want to do this, you're going to click on the account, right? Once it has opened up, right, what you're going to do right now, you're going to click on here, right? You can see these three dotted icons. Click on it. You can see this. I'm going to click on this, right? So they'll not be able to. I'm going to just click on this straight up, right? Once I've done it, blocked this, right? So this is how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.